Hello beautiful people, this side Ritura Sandal and I welcome you all to this another video training where I'm going to talk about the micro business niche. What's a micro business niche? As I've told you in the very last training that in the next video I'm going to talk about this. Okay, so let's get started. So a micro niche, or you can also say a sub niche or a niche within a niche, are all names of a smaller segment of a niche market. Opting to devote your time to a smaller segment doesn't mean there is less money. It means there is still plenty of demand but much less competition. If you use this term effectively, then you will understand that what it's like to serve in a sub niche, in a micro niche. Okay. For example, okay, and now you will get a better clarity that if you have opted to generate leads in the insurance sector, you'd soon find that insurance sector is a rather broad niche. Okay, it's a very big niche. But if you break insurance down, if you narrow it down, you'd soon find plenty of industries that apply to the insurance sector. Let's say if you can see this, then if you are niching down, if you are narrow the insurance sector down, then there are health insurance, life insurance, funnel insurance, mortgage protection insurance, car insurance, and etc etc. There is a lot. This is the insurance is a lot broader sector. It's a lot broader market. So now we have narrowed it down. Now this is just a business niche, and we are here for the sub niches, micro niche. So now what? We are again going to narrow it down. Do your research into this industry and see which one interests you the most. And once you have chosen your industry, break it down again. Okay, opting for something like health insurance isn't enough. We are again narrowing it down. Okay, the field is still too broad, so we need to dig a little digger. For instance, we have chosen health insurance. Now again we are narrowing it down to health insurance UK. Again we are narrowing it down to private health insurance UK. And if we want the more segmentized market, a micro niche you can say, then we can choose private health insurance UK. Self-employed people who are self-employed, they can apply. They are our ideal audience. Okay, here is another example. Okay, now with these two examples you will get a better clarity. For example, income protection insurance. After that, if we narrow it down, then long term income protection insurance. And again, if we narrow it down to the earth, then long term income protection insurance for over 60s. Now you are getting point, you are getting clarity that what's a micro niche is. Similarly, you also need to plan out things according to your business. Seem pretty specific, right? You will actually be more successful if you drill down to a micro niche within a broader market. Now, follow this pyramid guide as a template. This is a micro niche pyramid, as I've taken the example of the health insurance, right? It's a broader market. So we are narrowing it down to health insurance UK, and after that private health insurance UK, and from there private health insurance UK for over 60s, people who are over 60. We have narrowed it down to the earth, and we can serve these people, these target audience we can serve, and there's a lot more revenue in that category, and the most important, less competition. You can easily build your brand loyalty here. So here are some more sub niches for the top niches. In the last training I've talked about the 13 most profitable niches, right? So here are more sub niches for the top niches. And what are the sub niches ideas to make money online, like YouTube marketing, online jobs, passive income, affiliate marketing tips, blogging tips. Next, sub niches for the finance, personal finance, investing, cryptocurrency, stocks, and forex. What are the sub niches for the fitness? Again, weight loss, hair loss, yoga, nutrition. Okay, and again, the sub niches for the relationships, dating advice, advice on dealing with breakups, divorce related things. Of course, again, the sub niche ideas for the lifestyle is fashion, lifestyle advice, beauty tips. You can also add, there is a lot more things in the lifestyle. Sub niches ideas for the real estate, realtors. This is for you. Foreign real estate, investment properties, relocation, commercial properties. And what are the sub niches for the food? Oh, it's a whole lot bigger. And you can also narrow down the other sub niches also, which I've just talked about. There's a lot more things to cover. For example, home cooked meals, health foods, superfoods, baking recipes, veganism and plant-based diet, coffee or tea, kitchen equipment, cooking, exotic cuisine, craft beer, wines, and champagne. There's a lot more things. Talking about the sub niches ideas for personal development, that is self development, self improvement, personality improvement, getting rid of the fear of rejection, problems, etc. Or there is so much things like I cannot explain right now. I am in the flow. Okay. If you want, I will share the PPT with you. Okay. Yeah, I will share soon. Sub niche ideas for travel is budget travel, luxury travel, travel safety, solo safety, travel flight deals and coupons and promotions and so much more. Again, the sub niche ideas for gadgets and technology is gadgets, phone reviews, Apple gadgets, computer programming, computer software technology, operating system, Linux, Ubuntu, Windows, and the list goes on. It's a broader niche. You just have to narrow it down. Talking about the sub niches, ideas for the pets, carriers, dog training, pet food and treats, special diet for pets. You can just go over list is the list is very big. What are the sub niches ideas for gaming? Again, gaming, video game tutorials for beginners, game walkthrough and tips, a strategy game, best practices, card and board games, outdoor games, and the very trending thing is you can also record the videos of your gaming, how you are achieving that level, and you can share with your audience. There's so much more. You can live stream, you can build your audience, you can build your business there with the help of gaming. Sub niches for the entertainment are movies, TV shows, funny cats videos, upcoming events, stand-up comedy, theater, and ballets. And of course, here we are. Time for the bonus. So, as I've talked about a lot of niches and sub niches, so as a bonus, I am offering you this presentation. You can go ahead and participate in the link in the description down below. I put the link. You can go ahead and participate, and you can get this presentation if you enter into the chat bot. I have given the link in the description down below. And that's all from my side today. Thank you so much for joining. I do believe you must have enjoyed the training. Don't forget to join the giveaway. You will get the link of my presentation so that you can revise it once again. Okay, and if you like the video, then do hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And if you have any queries, then you can ask me regarding chatbots and a business related thing. I will definitely help you. So that's all from my side. See you in the next video and have the day you deserve. Bye bye.